So I decided to do my peer feedback on Mark Barnes's website. Right off the bat, you can tell that it's very visually stimulating. It's got these really cool camera lenses as the background, and it's got a nice warm color tone to it. And I really like that when you scroll, the picture itself doesn't move, but it's the text that scrolls. I think that's really, really cool. And from there, you can see that he has links to his short films and documentaries, his social media videos, all the links to his different portfolios for each of the different services. So that's really, really cool. And then you can go here and we can go to the About page. What I really like about this is it's nice and clear to read. And it's really cool because it's almost got like that newspaper setup that has like the nice bold text as the header and something a lot simpler to read for the paragraphs. It's really nice typography and it matches the Mark Barnes up in the corner really, really well. I really like this headshot too. It's a really nice headshot, really good professional business headshot. The only thing that I would maybe change about it would be to not cut off the very top of his head. Maybe just give him a little bit more headroom, and that way we can get like the full face and everything, and it doesn't look kind of like awkwardly cropped. But other than that, it's really, really informational. He's got all of his backstory, his different experiences, his military service, really, really cool stuff, and he goes into depth even about his religion and just his personal experiences throughout life and how that's affected him with his storytelling. So I think that's really interesting, and it gives you like a really good look on who Mark is, and what kind of person you would be working with if you hired him for your videography services or some like freelancing photography, all that good stuff. The stories was probably the page that I thought was the coolest. It has all of these different videos on here. Like we have roses, which is awesome. Really, really cool, like rose petals falling down, and just gets you like really involved with his portfolio, and it's just actual examples as to work that he's done in the past, so you can see his style of editing, his style of videography, what he sees with his creative mind. So it's really, really cool. And on top of that, all the videos are like super great. They're awesome cinematography, great motions, everything, sound effects. They're really, really awesome. And then he makes it really, really easy to get a hold of him too with his contact page. He goes, "How can I help?" And I think that's really nice and inviting versus like, "Hey, here's my information, here's how you could talk to me." That's it. He wants to be able to help people and push their ideas and really showcase the meaning behind a lot of the projects that he's working on. And I think that's really, really cool. My biggest question would be, how did you get to all of these different projects? How did you get so involved? Like, what made you, like, what gave you that drive? I find myself being an online student, I get kind of like sluggish, a little lazy, not wanting to go anywhere or do anything, or that kind of feeling. But you have gone out and you've done all these awesome projects and they look fantastic. And I just want to know, like, is it the connections? Did you meet up with people? Or is it just that drive that you have for this kind of stuff? Because you are so good at it, and I really enjoyed looking at the website.